In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up app layout grids in Figma to create more organized and consistent designs. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the frame you want to work on. With the frame selected, go to the right-hand Properties panel and find the Layout Grid section. Click the plus button to add a layout grid. To create columns, change the grid type from grid to columns. Then set the number of columns based on your design needs. Next, click the plus button again and change the new grid type to rows. Adjust the number of rows and spacing to create a structure that works for your app layout. You can also customize the grid color and opacity to make it easier to see while designing. Use the rows and columns as guides to align text, buttons, images, and other UI elements consistently across your screen. And that's it! You've successfully set up app layout grids in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.